Hello everybody. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. And I got my sidekick here,
Hello.
Demia. It's late in the season, October, what is today, 19th? Not sure. But need to harvest these potatoes. I have my laundry baskets that I filled and this bucket here. And as you can see, if you can see, they're dead. The foliage is dead. In this one, a couple of boards grew, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. I might try and take them out. I don't know. So let's get started. Let me put the camera down a little bit so you can watch what I'm doing.
Okay.
This garden bed right here, I'm gonna pour it in here because I have don't put it down yet. I have this garden bed prepped for the winter. I tilled it up. I put some amendments in it, and then I covered it with grass clippings, and leaves are falling in here. So I'm just gonna pour these in here to make it easy, and leave this soil in here. Okay, see if you can turn that camera down some.
You tell me when to stop. Let's see. Oh my god.
Nope, that's all right. I'll do it. Come sit down.
Okay.
I'll turn it down this way onto like that. They don't have to see us.
We're gonna get started soon as I put my gloves on.
All right, I'm gonna take this first one and turn it over in here. It's rather heavy. I guess I'll pull these out. I hope I got potatoes, y'all. I hope I got potatoes. We're gonna see. It's cold out here today. It's only in the 50s. It's gonna go down to 30 something tonight.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is heavy. Okay. Oh, let's turn it over and pray for the best. What is this thing? I don't know what that is. What is that, y'all?
Guys, so the trees are turning beautiful colors.
They are. Oh, sound like it broke. Oh,
Like something broke.
sound like the plastic broke.
Okay, guys, I got my gloves on. And now
I see
we're gonna
nothing
get
yet.
started. I don't see nothing. No, see nothing
Use my
yet.
shovel and get some of this soil out.
Get some of the soil out.
Uh-oh. Not gonna get all the soil out. Reuse, repurpose, reduce. So how you say that, Mimi?
Reuse, reduce, recycle.
Recycle. We're gonna recycle this soil. Oh, I don't know if there's anything in here. Oh boy, I'm not seeing anything. Uh-oh, I see a potato. Hold on.
I see one too.
This soil is hard. There's a tiny potato.
I see
There's
one.
the first one. Go get your little basket that Uncle Jeffrey gave you, and you can put the potatoes in there.
I'll be right back.
It's on the porch.
Yeah, I see it.
All right, I'm trying to break it up. Ah, another potato fell out. There's one. So they're small. And don't tell me it's only 2 potatoes in here. You gotta be kidding me.
What?
There's 2 so far. Looks like that's all. Wow. All summer long, you try and grow potatoes, and this is what I get. Put those 2 in your basket.
Okay. Okay, we're starting to get some potatoes here.
Yeah, I want to see 2. I guess I leave the roots in here too, right?
Okay, so. Hold on, why am I shovel right here?
Well, we got 2 out of that batch. Golly. You know what? This is the second year I've tried. Oh, there's a tiny, tiny one. Oh my goodness. Your basket?
Here.
You can have that little one.
Yeah.
There's your basket. That looks like that's all, folks.
I'll do that.
All right, let's turn another basket over and see.
Turn the other basket over and let's see what we got. Any potatoes or no potatoes?
No.
Or there's some of that's gone.
All right. My borage is in here. Do I
Hold on,
want
why
to save the
using
borage?
my shovel?
Because it was sitting here.
Sitting there? Oh, it's sitting there. Okay, we got some
I'm going to
plants
save the
here.
borage. I'm
Borage.
going to try to. Yeah, you know the edible flowers that we eat? And then I grind out the borage leaves. Oh, there's 3 in here.
Yeah, I see one right there. This one's dead. Right?
Yeah, you can pull those out. Those are from the potatoes. Pull those on out. You can do it.
Nothing.
No, we're going to put that in the fire pit. All
So
right.
put it in the fire pit? Or
You
put
can.
it down?
You can put in the fire pit.
Guys, I'll be right back. Try to go quick as fast as I can, but I'll be back.
All right, let me turn this one over. into the flower bed, into the raised bed. Oh, see if we got more than one or two in here. See if we have any better luck with this one. Go get your basket and get ready. Let's pray that we got some in here.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
I see roots, but that's all I see. Uh-oh, I see a couple.
Okay, let me get my basket.
I'll set them over here. 2 so far.
2. Oh, here's a tiny one.
Yep, a tiny one. Wow.
Harvesting some plants.
I'm gonna get two per container. It doesn't look like there's any more. Wow.
Okay, guys, we're harvesting some plants.
Don't know if I'm gonna do potatoes
we
again.
got 2 and 2.
How many we got?
We got 1, 2, 3. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We
We got
got
5, you guys.
5 tiny tots.
2 tiny ones and no, 1 medium, 2 tiny ones, and 2 big ones.
And that looks like that's it. What in the world? Why can't I grow potatoes, y'all?
Okay, this is how many we got. You see those tiny ones? They're right there.
Nope, that's it.
That's all.
All right, one more bucket. Pull those potato leaves out. And sit the bucket down. See if we have anything in this orange store bucket. Pull those out. Yep, those are gonna go in the fire pit. Straight up, both hands. Good job. Alrighty. Put them in the fire pit and then go get your basket and hope that we have potatoes in this one.
Okay, guys, we got a pile of the dead weeds. And hold on.
Alright, let's see.
Gardening good. And we're doing a lot of things. And
I see a potato.
I see one.
You see one? You want to get it out?
Yep, let me try. Oh,
You didn't get your basket. Show it to the people. This is the biggest one so far.
guys,
Whoa.
this is the biggest one so far. It kind of looks like a pointy egg.
You gonna show them?
This is the biggest one so far.
All right, let's see if we got any more.
Any more big ones?
Put that in your basket. Don't tell me we're only gonna have one. This is some good soil for my garden
For the
bed.
plant.
Yeah.
Oh, here's one.
Is that a potato? That's a rock.
Oh.
I don't know.
Okay, I can
What that
tell.
is?
That is?
No, I don't know what that was.
This is
Hard as a rock. Come on,
Okay.
be some more potatoes in here. What?
How's the early one?
I don't know.
See one.
A teeny teeny. That's the smallest one yet. I don't get it.
Guys, look at the smallest one right now.
gosh. This is wild. Okay, well, that was an experience.
Yeah, that was not what I was expecting.
Not what I was expecting either. Wow. Okay. No more.
Yeah, we don't see
We got
any.
good soil
Well, we
for
do.
next year. What is that?
I don't know.
That's hard as a rock too. What are these hard things?
God, there's some hard things we don't know what these are. But I'm pretty sure they're rock swords that potatoes. I don't know.
I don't know what that is. All right. Well, thanks for watching anyway.
Let
Show
me-
our little harvest and we'll be done. Go show our harvest.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, I don't see nothing.
No, nothing else. So I'm just going to spread this dirt soil out in the flower bed.
You.
Go get the harvest. Show them so we can end the video.
Okay.
Thank you for your time. We appreciate you.
As you will see, look at our harvest. Right now we have 1,
They can't
2,
see. You're not in the
3,
camera.
4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, we got 7 right now. And now I'm going to show you. This is how many we got. Hopefully you enjoyed the videos. And hit the like button.
Yeah, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.
Thumbs up.
Peace and love.
Peace.
Toodles.